Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Bot Trader. Today, I'm going to show you our XAUUSD Gold MT5 Expert Advisor, an automated trading robot designed specifically for gold trading. In this video, you will see how the EA manages a complete recovery cycle, including what happens when the market moves against the trades. You will also see how the EA handles a difficult sideways market. This is an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, designed specifically for XAUUSD, or gold. The main purpose of this EA is to automate the trading process and manage a sequence of trades according to predefined settings. Instead of manually watching the chart and opening every trade yourself, the EA automatically executes and manages the trading cycle. The system includes customizable parameters such as starting lot size, recovery levels, lot progression, grid distance, and profit targets. However, automated trading does not eliminate market risk. Now let's look at today's trading activity. At this point, the EA is running at level 5. The first trade started with a 0.05 lot. The second trade is 0.01 lot. The third trade is 0.15 lot. The fourth trade is 0.22 lot. And the fifth trade is 0.33 lot. At this point, today's overall profit is approximately 420.87. Now, the market starts moving in the opposite direction to the fifth buy trade. Because of this movement, the EA activates the sixth trade, which is a sell trade. If the market moves in the expected direction, the cycle can reach its target. But if the market continues moving in the opposite direction, the EA activates the next recovery level. Now, the seventh trade is activated with a lot size of 0.75. The market is still not giving a clear direction. The market is moving sideways. Because of this sideways movement, the EA continues managing the recovery cycle. Previously, today's profit was approximately 420.87. After the seventh trade closes, today's profit comes down to approximately 293.37. That means the seventh trade closed with a loss of approximately 127.50. Now, the eighth trade with 1.13 lots is active. We are waiting for the market to make its next move. Now, the ninth trade is activated with a lot size of 1.69. The EA continues managing the cycle according to its recovery logic. Now we can see that the eighth trade closes with a loss of approximately 149.16. After this loss, the overall result comes down to approximately 144.21 profit. Again, we are waiting for the market to make a clear movement. Now the market continues moving in the opposite direction. The 10th trade is activated with a lot size of 2.54, and this is a sell trade. At this point, the 9th trade closes with a loss of approximately 466.44. Now look at the account result. The previous profit of approximately 144.21 has moved to an overall loss of around 322.23. This is the important risk of recovery trading. The 10th trade is still running, and finally the market starts moving in the sell direction. The price is now getting very close to the target. Let's see what happens. The market continues moving toward the target, and finally the target has been reached. The cycle has closed successfully. Now let's look at the result. The current cycle profit is approximately 1,191.61. Previously, the cycle result was approximately 420.87. So the profit generated by this particular cycle is approximately 770.74. Now, there is one very important thing I want you to understand. In this type of recovery strategy, when the next lot is activated, the previous trade may be closed with a loss. You can see that happening several times in this cycle. The 7th trade closed with approximately 127.50 loss. The 8th trade closed with approximately 149.16 loss. The 9th trade closed with approximately 466.44 loss. But the recovery sequence continued, and the final cycle target was eventually reached. This is why you should never look only at the final profit. You must understand the complete cycle, the floating drawdown, the lot sizes, the margin requirement, and the maximum recovery level. Most importantly, you need to maintain sufficient funds in your trading account. If your account does not have sufficient free margin and the market continues moving against the recovery sequence, the EA may not be able to continue the recovery process. In that situation, the cycle could close at a loss. So please understand the strategy completely before using real money. Always use proper risk management and test the EA on a demo account first. If you are interested in testing this XAUUSD Gold MT5 Expert Advisor, we are currently offering a 1-week free trial. During the trial, you can test the EA and understand how the recovery cycle works. For the EA trial access, installation support, settings, and updates, join our Telegram community. Telegram t.me/bot XAUUSD EA. The Telegram link is also available in the video description and pinned comment. So that was a complete demonstration of our XAUUSD Gold MT5 Expert Advisor. As you saw, the EA automatically managed the trading cycle from level 5 all the way to level 10. But remember, no trading robot can guarantee profits. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always maintain sufficient funds, use proper risk management, and understand the strategy before trading with real money. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the Bot Trader, and turn on the notification bell. For the 1-week free trial, EA updates, settings, and support, join our Telegram community, Telegram, t.me/bot XAUUSD. Thanks for watching the Bot Trader. Trade smart, manage your risk, and see you in the next video.